All right, guys, so thanks again for checking us out at Overland of America in Jay, Oklahoma. Make sure to go to our website, INCAOverlandOutfitters.com, where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on trusted brands. So appreciate you guys checking us out. Hey guys, so I'm here with Peter with Front Runner, and he's just going to go over some of the new products.
Sure. How's it going, guys? Thank you for coming and checking us up. So here in this new Ranger Raptor, we're carrying our Sling Sport roof rack. Pretty modular. You can have so many accessories on this roof rack. We have also the T-channels are exposed on the side, so it's easy to drop your T-bolts and put any accessories really quickly in and out of the rack. And we also feature a new Pro Bed Rack system, one of our greatest and newest products that we have on the market. Another modular product where you can swap everything that you have from our Front Runner modular systems. You can swap it between any of the racks. You can put wall packs, as you might see on the other side, as well as carry-on and recovery boards, or just molly packs where you can attach all the different type of accessories. You also have the option of putting our Slimline 2 tray, so you can actually mount a lot more of the other accessories as well. And we're gonna keep improving and bring a lot more accessories in the next couple of months. So please come by and check us out.
Hey guys, so this is a good friend, Ben with Truck. He's going to go over some of the new products he's got. I'm going to hand this over to Ben. And
yeah, hey guys. This is Ben from Truck. So on my truck for the show now, I've got our new setup. It's our 24-inch rack. We've got double hinge kits, so each side opens. So you can open up the sides, and I've got the new, we call it a Molly side pod. So it's a pod that goes behind the opening hinge panel. You can mount on all sides of it. Inside, you can mount Pelican cases or, air compressors, gear like that. On the outside, you can mount gear like, fire extinguishers, med kits. I've even got some Milwaukee packouts in there. On the other side, I've got my propane tank and the water tank. But yeah, this is probably one of our most useful setups yet. Just tons of storage space. Keeps your bed open for all the bigger gear you have. But yeah, check us out at gettruck.com.
perfect.
Ready to go.
Hey guys, so at these expos, you get to see really cool new products. I got Jocelyn here. She's going to tell us a little bit about her products. I'm going to hand this to you.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm with Overland, and we have some new products that we are displaying here. We're really well known for our dual pane acrylic windows. They're extremely thermally insulating, durable, impact resistant, and they're really easy to install. We have our classic domed shape here that probably most of you are familiar with, but we just launched this flat version, which has all the same functionality, but just a sleek, darker, and flat aesthetic. And then we also do doors, windows, cargo doors, really anything to support wholesale or DIY market.
Appreciate it, Jocelyn. Thank you
Yeah,
so
of
much.
course,
And the
thanks.
website is?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I should have said website. It's turnoverland.com.
Perfect. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, so I'm here with Lauren. He has really badass trailers. He's going to highlight some of the trailers he's got this event. I'm going to pass it over to him, and he'll tell you his website, also where to go if you want additional information.
Yeah, hey guys, it's awesome to see you. So we're over at Overland of America in Jay, Oklahoma, and we have 6 trailers, some of the best off-road and overlanding camper trailers available in the market. We're X-Grid Campers. We have an office in Las Vegas as well as Knoxville, Tennessee. And the stuff that we have is really meant to get off the grid. If you really want to go out, get away from the crowds, get away from the campgrounds, you can do it. These trailers all have independent suspension, high clearance. Some have airbag suspension, articulating hitches. Some are set up as smaller and lighter and nimble. Some are hybrid. So we have 6 trailers here showing off Teton X, the Expedition trailers, Australian Off-Road, AOR Sierra, and Odyssey. We have the Lifestyle campers back here and Track Trailers T-Van. So come out and take a look.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Appreciate
and the
it.
website one more time?
It's xgridcampers.com. Knoxville, Tennessee, and Las Vegas, Nevada.
Perfect. Thanks. Hey, guys, so I also want to show you some cool people you'll meet. This is Benji. He's got a podcast. He's going to share his information. And, I'll pass this over.
Sure.
Right on. My name's Benji. I've got a podcast called Newfound Overland, and essentially I came from Budget Overland podcast. I started that. I started the Budget Overland Facebook group. Got really big, and I just wanted to step away kind of from that, start something new, because the word overland gets thrown around loosely, and there's a lot of gatekeeping and weird stuff. I don't care about any of that, so it's like Newfound is a new approach to the word overland. So it's my definition of just redefining it, and honestly, my tagline is overlanding undefined. So as long as you're out having a good time, just like Calvary Overland over here, they're all about community. I'm all about community, and I interview people from all over the world doing it. I'm a weekend warrior. I don't live off the road, but I live vicariously through those I interview. So Newfound Overland kicked it off April of this year. So far it's doing really well.
Awesome. Appreciate it, guys, and go check out his podcast, and appreciate it, Benji.
All right, buddy. Yeah, I'm on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.
Hey, guys, I'm here with Tate with O'Keefe Overland. He's going to give you his website and just highlight some of the products he has at the Overland of America event. Appreciate it.
Yeah, what's up, guys? I'm Tate. We're with Okie Overland. We've got a full-service retail shop in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Anything you need done to your rig, lift kits, installs, custom fab, we can do it. This weekend at Overland America, we're representing Free Spirit. We've got some of their new tents and new products out. Okie-overland.com, and on all the social medias at Okie Overland.
Perfect. Appreciate it, Tate.
Yeah.
Thanks again, man.
Have a good one.
Hey, guys. So this is another great event that's coming up. I'm gonna give the mic to Lisa, and she's gonna tell us about the event she's hosting.
Hey guys, thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you. My name is Lisa Dewey, and I'm the Director for Advertising and Promotions for the City of Jasper, Arkansas, the epicenter of fun. If you're looking for any type of mountain biking or climbing or anything like that, that is where we are. And also the beautiful Buffalo River runs through our town and is absolutely gorgeous. So our event is a fundraiser for the City of Jasper in order for us to give back to the community in free events and concerts the whole year. So it is a fundraiser event. So it is a 3-day event, not just for Jeeps, Jasper Jeep Jam and Overlanding Rally. So you can find us at jasperjeepjam.com for more information. And yeah, we are super excited. This will be our 2nd year event. Last year was amazing. So yes,
Thank you again, Lisa. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you. Appreciate you.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's ICECO 4x4, and we're here at Overland of America. We're here at the ICECO booth. We got some really badass deals on the ICECO fridges. We got some of our own products too, the ICECO 4x4 trail bags, some alpaca blankets from Peru. Let's go over and check out this cool trailer by Tiny Camper Company, the ICECO 4x4 Venture Series. Let's go check it out. So we'll walk through the booth, and you can see we made a throne here that's pretty cool. It's an ICECO throne. We're already calling victory on ICECO, the best fridge in the market right now. And then you can see the different options they have from the APL 55, which is a weatherproofed one, the new APL 35 that just got released. This one's perfect for like a Jeep or a 4Runner, the JP40 dual zone. We got our Defender over here with our camper conversion, and then also the ICECO 4x4 topper that's available for all different truck model sizes. This is a great customer from Mississippi. You can see how we built out his camper. He just went on a trip to Colorado. You want to follow him at One Less Tacoma. And this right here is our new ICECO 4x4 Venture Series by Tiny Camper Trailer. It's a 5x8 off-road trailer with a 45-degree departure angle in the back. We used a power station with a Garmin power switch to basically run all the lighting and accessories to it. You got dimmable lights here, and in the back here I'll show you, you have a half galley that an ICECO APL 35 fits perfect in here. You got the connection for the fridge. You got some drawer spaces. Again, the Garmin power switch is what powers all this, which is Bluetooth enabled. You got yellow and red light for the bugs. We got a rinse kit, 5-gallon shower system, 200-watt solar that's topping off the batteries right now. And then The one thing I really want to point out is this new product that we have from Taruca. It's their new Rogue Series 270 awning. The cool thing about this awning is it's got the pitches here for the rain, so the water doesn't pool. You got lights for the arms here. They have an amber and a red light. And yeah, so come check us out, Overland Expo in Jay, Oklahoma. And then our website, ICECOFREEZER.com, where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on all the trusted brands. So appreciate it. Hey, so thanks again for watching this video to the end. This is the crowd we kind of got for the raffles we did. We did one every day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Big thanks to ICECO for definitely helping out with these gifts. ICECO makes an amazing fridge, 5-year warranty on the compressor. They have weatherproof ones, a new APL 35 that I think is just one of the best looking fridges on the market right now. They use a C-cup compressor, and yeah, they're just a really great customer service. So all in all, I think it's the best fridge on the market. And make sure to go to our website, ICECOFREEZER.com. We'll be at future events like Winter Wonderland with Venture Unknown, Adventure Vehicle Roundup, and yeah, thank you for being here.